Welcome guys, in front of me I have video recorder Xblitz Park View Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can set up the voice recording on this device. So at the first we have to click right here to enter the menu, and right now we have to go at the bottom section on the sound record, click OK, and here we can turn it off and also turn it on. And when it's selected, the option that you select, it's going to change the color on the yellow or the orange, and just click OK, and this option is turned on. So right now your video recorder will be record the sounds. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.